Ever heard of serviceable kilometer radius before? And did you know that it affects businesses' geographic reach? I'm Jeff, and welcome to another episode of In a Rush. In this episode, we're going to tell you more about serviceable kilometer radius and how you can use it to expand your store's reach. Let's jump right to it. Kilometer radius is a circular distance around your store. Maybe you're wondering, why do I need to set it? In some cases, serviceable areas can be set based on specific locations, within an area or a region, for example. Kilometer radius, on the other hand, enables you to span multiple geographic boundaries. In effect, the wider you set your serviceable kilometer radius, the wider your visibility and your reach becomes. So how can you set your serviceable kilometer radius? Just head to the Settings tab of your eStore module, set the kilometer radius, and hit Save. That's it! With all your store's basics up and running, you are now ready to accept orders. We'll tell you more about it in the next video, so watch out! This has been Jeff, and thank you for tuning in to In a Rush.